Welcome to my unboxing of, I don't even know how to say this, Edimax. I think that's what it is. Edimax wireless and super small wireless and USB adapter. Supposedly it's the world's smallest USB adapter, wireless USB adapter, 8211 BGNN, 150 megabits per second. So let's see what it's got in here. It was really cheap. I got it from Newegg. It was one of their shocker deals. It was $9.99 for this, and it's too small. I'm afraid of losing it. I mean, it's tiny. It's great. This is it right here. Right here. See that? It's as big as a white man's penis. I'm just kidding. That's a Chinese man's penis. But it is tiny. I mean, absolutely tiny. The biggest part in this thing is the USB, whatever you call it. So this is, you got this. That's what you get in here. You get the user manual, all different languages. Every language but English. Well, let's see. Oh yeah, there's English in here. It's just not listed on here. But the user's manual, you get the software on a mini disc, and this funky little card, thank you card. Thank you for purchasing. This is it right here. Come again. And that's pretty much it. That's all you get in this package. Is eso, this right here. And that's it. Tiny little USB, world's smallest. That's what they claim. World's smallest wireless and USB adapter. So I'm also going to do a little review and see how this works. I've built a new computer. We'll have a bunch of computers. This is it right here. It's a gaming computer. I'm in my garage right now, and my internet connection is upstairs. I've run a wire to my main computer right here, which is that right there, that big boy right there. And this one doesn't have the internet, and I need to do some updates on that one. So that's why I bought this. It was $9.99, and I can move it around to different computers. I have a bunch of computers, and I don't want to have a lot of wires here, so that's why I got this, so I can switch it between these computers. Yeah, it is nice. Tiny little thing. I mean, like, it's about the size. See that? The size of a nail almost. About that big. That is a webman right there. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to do a review on this too. Please rate, subscribe, and do all the things you guys do on